Hi, my name's Evie and I'm 8 years old.
My name's Vicky and I'm the centre manager at an outdoor centre for my day job, and then I also volunteer for Derby Mountain Rescue team. So Evie's going to do the day job to start with, so she's going to come and do some activities with us, see what we do with the young people who come and visit us, and then we're going to have a call out and we'll go and do a full call out from the moment we hear the message come through until hopefully we get the person safely on their way to hospital. So, Mountain Rescue it's not a job, it's all about people who volunteer from their normal jobs. So I'm really lucky and I work here at an outdoor centre, and we have lots and lots of children from all around the country that come and do activities here with us, and we'll show you some of the activities today and you'll get to go on a high ropes course. So it's a beautiful place and I'm going to show you around now.
My name's Martin Dodd and I'm the team leader of Derby Mountain Rescue team. I suppose the worst one in terms of context was the Lockerbie plane crash, which is quite pertinent because it's an anniversary this year. We sent team members up there to look search in the Kielder forest for bits that came from the aeroplane. Locally, we have had quite a few what we call deltas, dead bodies, dead people, gone out, got overcome by the conditions and unfortunately died while they're out there. So we have to deal with that as well as nasty injuries, fallen climbers and things like that.
Copy 31467 over.
667 over.
So what we've just done there is practice a casualty location, treatment of an injured person, and then evacuation back to the road so we can hand the person over to the NHS. I think so, yes. I think she's done very well today. You know, she was willing to get involved in carrying the equipment up there, and when people gave her the instructions, she understood what was meant and got on with it and got involved with the team. So yeah, I think she has.